welcome back to the channel, everyone. I wanted to do a video kind of documenting my cheap eBay exhaust. This is called the SS Catback Exhaust. I got this exhaust on eBay about a year ago for around 200 bucks, and I think it sounds pretty good. I want to document exactly what it sounded like because this is the last day of this exhaust is going to be on my car. I'm going to be replacing this for the Tomei Xtreme TI-80R exhaust. So kind of want to showcase, like I said, what this does look like and proof that some eBay exhausts, not all, can actually be pretty solid. Now the welds have held up pretty good. The only damage that this exhaust has had over the course of me having it on the car is just some slight, I should say, burn, airish, you know, whatever the hell that is at the end of the tips there. That's about it. That's pretty much all that's been done, that's happened to the exhaust. The welds have held up pretty good, and you guys can hear once I do fire up the car that there is kind of a slight, I should say, rattle when I do kind of get on it. Now I'm gonna fire up the car now so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like. Now I do have a CNT unequal length header on my car, as well as I have the resonators deleted. Now it sounds pretty good. You guys can hear me. I think it does sound pretty good, and with all being said, let's go ahead and, you know, get some pulls in. Now you guys will definitely be able to hear exactly what I'm talking about as far as kind of like the slight rattle. I think there is a little bit of an exhaust leak that's going on, but like I said, this is the last day that I'm going to be having this exhaust on the vehicle, so it's not that big of a deal. I remember I do have the CNT unequal length header on my car, as well as the resonators deleted. I hate when this happens on the road, like two people right next to each other. Come on now. Like, I think the downshifts sound pretty solid with this exhaust. It's not too terrible. It's not like too loud, but at the same time it is pretty loud. But I think that's kind of like what, you know, you buy an aftermarket exhaust, why wouldn't you want the exhaust to be loud? Now, there is kind of a drone when you do start getting up in the higher RPMs. Hear the pops and bangs tune. this car's pretty good. Like, you can kind of turn, I was turning those corners going like 60. I mean, you can't really do that in a lot of other cars. If I have to do that like in my Mustang, there's no way. I wouldn't even try that. I wouldn't even try that in the Mustang, forget it. But to put that thing like, whew. It's one thing about that FRS, man, it's a momentum car. People who buy this car for like speed, come on, what are you doing? Bang through the gears, turn corners going like 65, 70, fuck it. This is on stock tires, by the way, which I actually will be getting Michelin Pilot 4S's and some new wheels, 18s, all the way around that square setup. But even on stock tires, obviously I do have the traction control on because stock tires going that fast, I'm not really trying to turn traction control off. You can say whatever you want, but I mean, I've been running the stock tires for over a year. I learned how to drive stick on this car. My tires are pretty, they're pretty gone, so. Sounds like with the windows rolled up. It's a nice 370Z up there. Like inside the car, like there is drone, but I don't care about the drone. video up there. Kind of can hear some sound clips with let me know what you guys think, man. I think it sounds pretty good. I mean, it is a $200 exhaust, so you get what you pay for, but we gotta be upgrading it. What in the hell is this guy doing? So, like I said, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.